All right, bring the next one up. Copy that, moving now.
Each tire is carefully inspected to determine its condition and suitability for recycling or retreading.
We need to clear this bay by noon. Move that stack to the left.
Copy that.
This one's cracked, straight to recycling. Okay, I'll move this retreadable up front.
Manifest confirms load complete.
Copy that. Heading to way station.
We have a delay on the southeast bypass. Reroute the shipment immediately.
Understood. Adjusting the inbound schedule now.
Strict safety and environmental standards guide every step of our scrap tire collection process.
Clear the press, I'm bringing this one in. Watch your hands on the guide rail.
Every retreaded tire undergoes rigorous testing to meet safety standards.
This one goes in the large section, rack 12. Okay, I'll scan it now. We need 2 more for this batch.
Strict safety and environmental protocols ensure a safe working environment during tire processing.
Quality control ensures recycled materials meet industry standards for reuse.
Okay, back it up right here to Bay 3. We'll get you loaded next.
All right, sounds good. How long do you think it'll be?
Shouldn't be more than 20 minutes. We're moving fast today.
Strict safety and environmental protocols protect workers and the environment during tire recycling.
The molding sequence is complete on line 4.
Looks good. We can move this batch to curing.
Every tire undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure safety and performance.
Okay, bring that one straight back into Bay 3. Watch the clearance on the left. Got it, pulling in now.
Strict safety and environmental protocols ensure a safe and sustainable manufacturing process.
Are these ready for the next stage?
Yes, they are good to go.
That's the last one for this pallet. Okay, scanning the batch now. Inventory updated.
Bring that pallet to Bay 3.
Secure this one first, make sure it's tight.
All right, the Georgia shipment is back on schedule, ETA updated.
We have a red alert on the eastern bypass. Reroute traffic immediately.
At every step, safety and sustainability guide our packaging and delivery processes.
The tread pattern on this model is designed for superior grip in the rain.
That sounds perfect for the upcoming season.
This one is sealed. Did you apply the new labels? Yes, right here. The next batch is ready on the line.
The holographic scan shows optimal structural integrity.
Confirmed. Finalizing the quality report now.
Every tire is thoroughly inspected to ensure it meets the highest quality standards.
A little more to the left, carefully now. All right, easy down. Looks good, secure it tightly.
As you can see, the tread is designed for maximum grip in wet conditions. It also comes with a 60,000-mile warranty.
I am so pleased with these recycled tires. They feel incredibly reliable on the road and the quality is amazing.
The tensile strength data is correlating perfectly with the new compound.
Yes, the thermal analysis confirms it's stable at high loads.
The temperature is holding steady at 80 Celsius.
Good. The dispersion looks uniform. We can sample it now.
Warning. Proximity alert. Safety procedure confirmed. Module complete.
The new calibration seems stable. Yes, the output has increased by 10% this shift.
Innovation drives our mission to revolutionize tire recycling, creating smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable solutions for the future.
By recycling these tires right here in the community, we're creating green jobs and reducing landfill waste significantly.
By transforming waste tires into reusable materials, we significantly reduce landfill impact and create a cleaner, more sustainable future.
So we take the old tires and turn them into these colorful playground tiles.
What happens to the shredded rubber right there?
Great.
This program will help us transition to a fully circular economy, ensuring that these materials are reused sustainably within the community.
Together with our community, we're driving change, aping one tire at a time. Join us in building a sustainable future.
Natives. At your company, we transform old tires into new, high-quality products, responsibly, safely, and sustainably.